When you open Affinity application on your computer and see this message, it means a new update is available and it's time to update to the latest version. You can also check this manually by clicking Help, then select Check for Updates option. This will let you know whether a new version is available or if you're already up to date. So to update Affinity application to the latest version, make sure you've closed all open documents, then click Install. In this case, Update will start downloading and then installing right into the application. This process will take a while, so just be patient and wait until it's finished. After the update finishes, Affinity will close and launch again automatically. Now, if I check for updates again, it says no update available. This confirms that I'm now using latest version of the application. So this is how we can update Affinity to the latest version. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.